Hi everyone. So I'm just doing this small video to show my appreciation for Santosh, whose services I took some time back. So actually, I've been following Santosh for quite some time back, reading his testimonials and seeing all the good work that he's been doing. And I was very appreciative of it. And recently, in the recent past, I have been going through a lot of, I would say, issues in various parts of my life, various areas. One is financially, things were just not moving forward, seemed like, some blockages, and, whatever was to happen was not happening. The other thing is, I had some health issues, some nagging health issues, which, could not be explained. Also, on the relationship front, also there were some things which, just were not moving forward, and at the same time not coming to an end. So I was overall in a kind of a situation where I was stuck. So I just thought that maybe I should reach out to Santosh and maybe use his services and see. And that's how I connected with him on Messenger. And so the first connect with him itself, so he's a person with a high level of clairvoyance and a lot of insight. So in the first connection with him itself, I could understand that he knows much more about us than we think. And so then we decided to go ahead with a session. I connected with him on a video call, and the first thing that struck me was he's this very unassuming and simple person. One wouldn't guess by seeing him that he has this amount of capability, or this kind of ability to heal and all that. He just comes across as very simple. And so as the call progressed, I really could make that connect, because there were a lot of meeting points in the conversation where he kind of spoke what was on my mind, and he could address what I was wanting to say. And so after this call, I also decided that I'll go forward and take probably one or two healing sessions from him. And we continued this through video calls. And so about this healing session, I have to say that it really was a very powerful experience for me, because I could actually feel a certain upsurge of energy within myself, a very positive kind of an energy, and also an upsurge of a lot of emotions. Probably something like things I didn't want to express, they were all coming up. And the whole experience was, it was, what shall I say, handled very well by him, because he'd also mentally prepared me before this session that, how I need to be prepared for the healing that's going to happen. And post that, of course, after the healing session was over, we disconnected. And the amazing thing is, in about maybe a short period of almost 15 days, I could see a tremendous amount of change in all these areas that I've been talking of. So I'd just like to tell you all, so that you know exactly what this experience was for me. And so first thing is, like I was saying, financially, I suddenly started having a lot of opportunities, which were totally not there for quite some time now, despite my best efforts. On the relationship front, this thing which I was struggling with just suddenly came to an end, and with no effort from my side. So that was another very relieving thing for me. My health feels much better, I feel much lighter, and this constant pain in the legs which I was suffering from is, so much better now, although I've not gone for any medication or any kind of special treatment. And there's one, something which struck me as very miraculous. So all my life I'd wanted to make this trip to Mathura and Vrindavan, which is, make this pilgrimage, because I'm a devotee of Lord Krishna, and I've been planning this for years. So once I finished this session, in a matter of maybe 2 or 3 days, I had this sudden, call from friends and they had planned this entire trip, and they just wanted one more person to join in, and that's it. And the trip materialized for me, and it was really fulfilling and very beautiful. I would definitely like to give credit for this to Santosh, because there's something very divine about him and his energies, though he seems like a very ordinary person. And doing these sessions with him does leave us with certain amount of blessing and make some shifts in our life if we are willing to accept that. So I'd just like to thank Santosh very much, because my life is so much better now. I'm glad I took this session, and really keep up this good work that you're doing. Reach out to more people. And for all of you who are listening to this video, if there's something that is troubling you, I would definitely recommend that you reach out to him, and you'll definitely find a solution. So thank you. All the best. Bye.